Hey guys, welcome back to another Applies video. And today's video is a little bit different since we hadn't done a restoration in a long time. But today is gonna be a simple repair and we're gonna be focused on this iPhone 6s. Well, I knew that this iPhone doesn't show the battery health on the settings. It just shows it. So I straight up knew that the battery wasn't plugged in correctly, as you can see. And I've had multiple things like this happen before, so I decided to give it a go. Anyways, as you can see here, I've just took the phone apart and just disconnected the battery, reconnected it again, and plugging it into the cable. Boom! That was the easiest repair I've ever done in my life. And well, here's some awesome cinematics for you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and just like that, I'll upload this video and see you in the next one.